When teachers need substitutes, they're already short on time. And then on top of that, they are asked to create a lesson plan just for that substitute teacher. It's not that easy, but that's where AI comes in. AI can help you create that from scratch or use your existing lesson plans to create a substitute teacher lesson plan. Let me show you how. So let's assume two different scenarios. The first scenario is you already have an amazing lesson plan, and this is going to be the easiest one. You could just give that substitute teacher the lesson plan and then hope for the best. But instead, what we're going to do is we're going to take that lesson plan and ask AI to tailor it for a substitute teacher. Just watch. So all I did was I attached the lesson plan that I already had designed, and I'm simply asking AI to tailor this for a substitute teacher. That's it. And then this is the lesson plan that I've already attached. You can see it's got everything that I'm looking for. It's over three different days, and it's got some good information in there. And let's see what AI can actually do for us. All right, so I just got the results. It just took a few seconds and it's pretty awesome. So it's telling the substitute exactly what they're going to need for the class. And so it tells them all the materials. It gives them the breakdown for each one of the lessons, which is pretty nice. A lot of that's coming actually from the rubric. I'm sorry, the actual lesson plan already. And it gives them some additional notes for maybe some ELL students, and also some other encouragement there for some of the students. That's not bad. If I wanted to change that up, I definitely could. But if I'm in a pinch and I just want to give some information to that substitute teacher, that's going to be perfect. That's going to give me exactly what I want to be able to give them. So now in scenario two, let's imagine I don't have a lesson plan and I need a lesson plan for a substitute teacher. So let me write that prompt. And again, remember, just imagine you have an assistant and you're going to ask them to do this for you. What are those things you would ask them as part of this request? What would you tell them? What context is important? What's necessary for them to know? Put that in the prompt. All right, so in this one, all I'm doing is writing a very simple prompt that it's for a substitute teacher. I don't have to explain where I'm going to be at a conference, but I put it in there anyways. And then also it should be on the Fifth Amendment and why it's important, how long it should be, what the grade level is. If there's more information to know, put that in there as well. But for this example, that's going to be enough. I'll submit it. And again, from scratch, in just a few seconds, I got a pretty good result. It's got a good breakdown with objectives, what the materials are going to be. I have an outline here, and we've got a breakdown by minutes of what I need to do as a substitute teacher. That is pretty good. And so again, this is an example of how you can use AI as an extension of what you already do. You're the final say on what is good and what is bad, and you can help to tweak and to change and to alter those results. In both of these examples, you can see whether you already have an actual lesson plan or maybe you don't have a lesson plan, but you need to create something for that substitute teacher. They're both great examples. And again, AI is just an extension of you. Let AI help you be more efficient so you can be the best you can for your students, whether you're there or someone else is in your place. Take care.